What? I can't hear you. My ears are too dirty. So, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Bebird EarSight Plus. This thing right here. This is an ear cleaner tool that's got a camera on it, so we'll be able to see all that dirty and clean it out. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bebird EarSight Plus right here. And you can see there's information on the back right there, but this is going to be a ear cleaner with a camera attached to it in a little travel case. Very, very nice. Bebird always makes high quality products, so let's go ahead and open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is going to be this little user manual right here, information to download the app, just setting it up, how to power it up, things like that, different head attachments. Very, very nice, and all this is included. Ooh, and this looks like it's going to be fun. We got ear and nose and throat, so as you see, we got a bunch of different options here, so very exciting. We've got a USB-A cable to USB-C cable right here for charging the device. We've got multiple different head tops for it, and like I said, you know, ear, nose, throat right here, and the device itself. This is why you're here, right? So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, there you go. Very, very nice. Love the finish right here. It's just super stylish. Huge fan of that. Very, very cool. So pop the top right here. It looks like we've got our devices. So wow, look at that. Tell me that's not awesome. We've got this tray that slides out of the carrying case, and inside of it we've got multiple different head tops for the cleaner camera right here as well. All of these are different scrapers essentially, so you can use them to dig stuff out of your ears or tweeze it, things like that, or a little bit of brushes right here. Super, super cool. The next thing in the case is the camera itself. As you'll see right here, it's like a rubber finish on it, so you definitely get a lot of grip. Huge fan of this. We got some kind of measuring right here to show how deep you are. Here's how you put the different head types on it right here. You just grab and twist. They screw on, they screw off, but your camera is inside of there. And then you're just simply going to put the different head attachments on it and screw it back in. Got our USB-C charging port on the back of this as well. And it's just fairly simple. You pretty much just hold this button down. There you go. You get a light right there. You get a camera. And you just go right into your ear. So let's go ahead and try it out. This is the Bebird EarSight Plus. Bebird patent design, the flexible silicone tube lens paired with a high-quality 3P precision lens can produce the microscopic world of the ear canal with the highest fidelity, capturing images and colors with remarkable accuracy with no lag or delay. It works both with adults and children, whether your ear canal is wide or narrow, and can enjoy a comfortable ear care experience. Perfect earwax removal tool, 4 different types of ear scope tips, ideal for both wet and dry earwax. Whether you need to clean, scoop, grip, scrape, or pick, Bebird's earwax cleaning set meets the needs of family members of all ages. It comes with a safety stopper and precise scale. It prevents over-insertion, ensuring safety when used on yourself or children. Painless earwax tweezers effectively remove stubborn earwax or debris stuck to the ear canal walls. Unlike silicone ear scoops that scrape, tweezers are more gentle on sensitive ear canals, protecting the delicate ear walls. Using the ear tweezers can reduce contact with the ear canal walls during the cleaning process, so it's easily controlled with manual pressure, allowing for a pain-free cleaning experience. And it comes with a bonus 3-piece inspection tools. With the illuminated Otoscope camera, users can confidently and safely perform ENT checks. Suitable for adults, children, and pets, it allows you to inspect ears, teeth, nasal passages, throat, scalp, and other parts of the body. If you are not familiar with the device, it is not recommended to use it on children or pets while they are in motion. Home use endoscope, you can monitor your ear canal at home and share photos and videos with your doctor before consultation. Be your own personal doctor with the Bebird Earwax Removal Kit, a simple and effective alternative to expensive doctor visits. Plus, Plus, the app allows you to Wi-Fi connect to your phone, and it doesn't require internet access, so you don't have to worry about your data being transmitted online. With that multifunctional ear care, Bebird EarSight Plus is beautifully designed, elegant, and highly practical, making it a perfect gift. Users can easily understand why their ears are inflamed or itchy, and children will no longer fear ear cleaning. This set meets the needs of the whole family, saving time, money, and hassle.
Plus, Bebird offers 24/7 customer support, real help right when you need it. And you can shop with confidence with 30-day returns and a 1-year warranty. And did I mention they offer flexible payment options so you can pay your way with multi-currency support? That's PayPal, Apple Pay, and installments.
If you encounter any issues during use, please feel free to contact Bebird. They offer a 1-year warranty. Bebird, this thing is awesome, it's high quality, and it's always a fun experience. Great job. As you know, we've worked with Bebird in the past, and all of their products have just been an awesome time. They're always a good time. They're so much fun for the family, and also, you just see a lot of gunk going on in there. If I had to say, I would say it's very they're really nice, and they're super fun. We want to give a huge shout out to Bebird for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!